Welcome back to our Planet Coaster 2 series, where we're building a theme park with one roller coaster that has 100 inversions. Where in the last episode we have got up to 15 inversions, and here is the inversion that we added. And there we go, up it goes into the inline twist, eventually going through the vertical loop. And if you can remember all that way back, in the previous episode we did say that this inversion will actually be getting demolished, and we're going to add another 5 inversions and take the coaster up to a 20 inverting roller coaster. So let's dive in and get on building. So here we go then. Whilst we're going through the time lapse of me building the roller coaster, this is in 8 times the speed, so you don't have to suffer however long this took me to build. Yeah, let's be a little bit honest. I built this part of the roller coaster at least 4 months ago. I decided that I was going to stick my head mic into my PlayStation controller whilst building the inversions and try and talk my way through a bit like a kind of a let's play sort of thing. And the quality of the mic that I was using was absolutely awful, so I've decided to go back through and and re-record it on our new mics that we've got. We've just purchased an Osmo Pocket 3, which came with the DJI mics as well. So yeah, you're currently listening to soothing audio through our new mics. But yeah, here we go, just building and smoothing out some of our coaster layout at the moment. Built a little bit of a zero-G stall over the top of the bridge, and we're just going to try and connect that up to the inline twists where we can. I'll take this opportunity to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. Although, depending on how long it takes me to get this out from this point, you could be watching this in February, March time, but yeah, we'll see. My plan moving forward actually is to try and, try and make these a little bit more frequent. As I'm sure you can imagine, if you follow us on Instagram, we do have a little family, so yeah, a lot of our time is taken up with work and family and also a lot of trips. So yeah, we've just, we've just come back from Disneyland Paris, which was absolutely incredible. So if you've not already, sorry, I'm just going to pause myself. This inversion that I'm building here is absolutely awful, so don't get attached to it. It will be gone in the next episode. It's awful. But yeah, we've just come back from Disneyland Paris. We had an incredible 4 days there with our little boy. Absolutely fantastic. So if you wanted to catch up on those, you can do. The vlogs are live and up on our channel. But yeah, let's take you into a little POV of the coaster. So we go nicely through the corkscrew into the awful inversion that we don't like and will be put in the bin very shortly. Around the left-hand turn and into the boost. Let's see if we make it up to the inline twist. No, we don't. Yes, we do. Maybe. Yes, we do. Look, there we go. That might be a little bit too slow. Although, imagine the absolute hang time on that. That looks like great fun. I might just have to speed that up ever so slightly. So let's jump back into editing the coaster and speed up that boost. Here we go. We've increased the boost and it now makes it up nice and easily into those inline twists through the vertical loop. That's a great little shot there with the coaster and the trains, but not the coaster train, the trains. And we know it makes it through the rest of the course layout, so let's jump on forwards. So the same as we do every episode, we're just going to go down and check the number of inversions on our roller coaster, and there we go. You can see down here at the bottom, number of inversions is 20 with just 1 airtime. I do love a bit of airtime. Let's add some more airtime. We'll do that in the next episode. But for now, let's take you on to a POV of our 20 inverting roller coaster, and we'll see you in the next episode. Please feel free to comment, like, and subscribe. If you think you have a suggestion for the name of this roller coaster or the name of this theme park, then please do let me know. We'll see you again real soon.